how to remove card from your Facebook page. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your card from your Facebook page, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now if you'd like to remove card from your Facebook page, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser here. Once you open up your browser, you simply want to go to this official website, which is business.facebook.com/commerce. I'll also have a direct link prepared down in the description box, so just go to business.facebook.com/commerce. Then once you've done this, you simply want to actually go to the settings icon here and then log into your Facebook account first of all, and then your ad account is going to display here. Once you select the correct ad account, you can just select those, and then on here you'll find this option called payment settings. You can click on the payment settings, and then over here you can see my funds and you can see my ad and payment methods. So if there are any payment method that you've added here, you can select them and then remove them respectively, or you can also simply choose to add some funds if you haven't already. And once you find the payment method that you want to delete, you can go ahead and remove them respectively. This way you can go ahead and basically remove card from your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.